A call option is just a financial contract, and it gives the buyer the rights but not the obligation to buy a stock. So what's that mean? Well, first you have the date the contract expires by, which is usually Friday, and you also have your strike price. So $27, if the stock goes over $27 to, we'll say 30, you're willing to pay 14 cents per share to buy each stock at $27. The contract is for 100 shares. That's how every option is. So you're not really paying 14 cents. You're actually going to be paying $14. So whatever this number is, you have to multiply by 100 because it's a 100 share contract. If at the end of the day, October 2nd, the stock is still less than $27, you were wrong and your contract expires worthless. If Snapchat goes over $27, you can sell the contract before expiration for more than you bought it, or you can buy all 100 shares at $27.